Here's a detailed explanation of the health benefits of clove tea, including key nutrients, effects on different body systems, and how it supports overall wellness. 1. Boosts immunity. Clove tea is rich in antioxidants, especially eugenol, which helps neutralize free radicals and supports the immune system. Drinking it regularly may reduce your risk of infections and common illnesses like colds or flu. 2. Promotes oral health. Cloves have natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Clove tea can help freshen breath, reduce gum inflammation, prevent bacterial growth causing tooth decay. It's also traditionally used to relieve toothache due to its mild numbing effect. 3. Improves digestion. Clove tea can stimulate digestive enzymes, helping your stomach process food better. It reduces gas, bloating, and indigestion. Helps relieve nausea. Soothes stomach cramps. 4. Supports heart health. The antioxidants in clove tea may help lower cholesterol and triglycerides, improve blood circulation, prevent plaque buildup in arteries. These effects contribute to better cardiovascular health when combined with a balanced diet. 5. Reduces inflammation and pain. Eugenol acts as a natural anti-inflammatory. Clove tea may help reduce joint pain, muscle soreness, headaches and menstrual cramps. 6. Strengthens bones. Clove tea provides manganese, a mineral vital for bone health and density. Regular intake may support bone strength and reduce osteoporosis risk. 7. Regulates blood sugar. Research shows that cloves can enhance insulin function and help manage blood sugar levels, making clove tea beneficial for people with diabetes or insulin resistance. 8. Fights respiratory issues. Warm clove tea helps relieve sore throat, cough, sinus congestion. It works as a natural expectorant, clearing mucus and soothing the respiratory tract. 9. Supports liver health. Eugenol helps detoxify the liver, reducing oxidative stress and improving its overall function. 10. Improves skin and hair health. Clove tea's antioxidants promote clearer skin and may help combat acne. Improved blood flow also nourishes the scalp, strengthening hair roots. How to make clove tea. Ingredients: 4 to 5 whole cloves, 1 cup of hot water. Optional: lemon, honey, or cinnamon. 1. Boil water and add cloves. 2. Let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. 3. Strain and enjoy warm. Avoid excessive consumption, 1 to 2 cups daily is enough. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should consult a doctor. People on blood-thinning medications should be cautious, cloves may increase bleeding risk. Thanks for watching.